Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up.
Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome to our exciting journey through the captivating world of artificial intelligence. I'm Tony, your AI tour guide, and I cannot wait to share with you the wonders of this cutting-edge technology. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the extraordinary landscape of AI. Let's kick off our adventure by diving into the realm of machine learning, a type of AI that allows computers to learn without explicit programming. Imagine feeding your computer vast amounts of data and watching it uncover hidden patterns like a detective on a thrilling case. Machine learning powers spam filters, image recognition, and fraud detection, making our lives easier and safer.
Bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
But wait, there's more. We'll now venture into the fascinating territory of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that mirrors the human brain through artificial neural networks. These networks can tackle complex tasks that traditional algorithms find challenging. From voice recognition to medical diagnosis, deep learning revolutionizes how we interact with technology.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and
Are you ready to meet our AI companions in the form of robots? In the field of robotics, we'll witness the design, construction, and operation of these incredible machines. From manufacturing to healthcare and transportation, robots are becoming indispensable allies in various industries, transforming the way we live and work.
He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. We're taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your...
Prepare to be amazed by AI's ability to see and interpret the world around us. Computer vision empowers machines to recognize faces, drive cars autonomously, and even diagnose medical conditions. It's like giving eyes to our AI creations, making them invaluable assets in various real-world scenarios.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it.
Imagine having an AI assistant that knows your preferences like the back of its digital hand. Recommender systems do just that, suggesting products, services, and content based on your past interactions. Get ready for a personalized, tailor-made experience in e-commerce, streaming media, and social media. Embark on an exhilarating journey into the extraordinary world of artificial intelligence, where cutting-edge technology meets limitless possibilities. Subscribe now to join our vibrant community of curious minds, and together, let's unlock the wonders of AI and shape the future of innovation.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up.